What's up everyone, it's your host Jackeal, your guide to living with Apple every day, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to turn off your snooze button forever. How to get rid of your snooze button from your iPhone alarm so you don't accidentally press the snooze button when you wake up in the morning and then have to turn off the alarm again 8 minutes later. Without further ado, let's get started. You either click on your clock symbol app or from the top right you scroll down and then you click the clock symbol in your control center. Now let's say you like waking up at 6:30 a.m. You click edit right here in the top left, and then you click on the time you want to change. Your snooze button is automatically on at all times. You just click off, and now here's the important part. Make sure you click save, because what's gonna happen is you're so happy to click off that snooze button that you're just gonna swipe out of the app like this, and then wake up the next morning and accidentally press the snooze button again thinking, hey, didn't I get rid of it? That's because you have to press save. Now we're gonna go back in. So we're going to test this out, just so you see. This is especially important because look at how big they made the snooze button as opposed to the stop button. So whenever you want to stop your alarm in the morning, you have to look for this little tiny button that doesn't even stand out in the dark while you're all bleary-eyed and sleep fatigued. Of course, you can technically just... Nope, you can't even tap the screen. You could just press the power button and then it turns it off, but turning the power button off just sets it to snooze anyways, which is why it's important for you to get rid of the snooze button forever, so you don't have to keep turning off snooze every 8 to 9 minutes. Make sure you actually wake up though. So it's 7:36, we're gonna set this for 7:37. You already know what the snooze button on looks like, so I'm gonna save it with the snooze button off, and then we're just gonna wait. Wait, there you go. You see? No snooze button on the front. Just the stop button. So this way, when you wake up in the morning, you just click stop. But of course, if you're the type of person who's used to the snooze button, just make sure you actually wake up. Make sure you subscribe for more iPhone tips.